The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf.
It's about really training our AI models based on how customers interact with our platform. But then at the same time, because we have serviced these sectors in the past, in previous work or in Miivo itself, we're able to kind of co-create new solutions for those businesses.
All right, welcome back inside our Proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Alex Damouni. He is the CEO of MiivoHoldings. And Alex, great to see you again. How are you?
Great to see you too, Steve. I'm doing well, thank you.
Good, good. Excited to have you along. Last time you and I chat, you talked about your platform and how it could be sort of transferred to a number of different sectors. And that's really got a lot of evidence to it now since your last news release, where you talked about getting customers in healthcare, in legal, in hospitality, all three different sectors and all able under one platform that you have.
That's right. Yeah, no, it's very exciting. It's really nice to see that we're now doing a shift towards more service-based industries and not just product businesses. And healthcare, legal, hotels, they may all look different, but they really do share one common feature, which is that they're very much people-driven. And operationally, they also have layers of complexity to each of them. So providing solutions to them, we can definitely find commonalities, but at the same time, we have to account for the fact that they are three different business models. So it is interesting to see this.
And how important is that with your platform to be able to handle businesses that you mentioned? All businesses have certain problems and some are similar, but others are very complex. And so the ability to adapt the platform, is that one of the keys to it?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, what we really want to do is be able to provide solutions that are specific to those businesses. So rather than just kind of pushing out standard templates that businesses that need to adapt to, we can actually adapt the platform to the needs of those businesses. So from an operational standpoint, each of those businesses, for example, can have certain similarities. Like, for example, they all have operations, they all, have customer experience from that they want to be able to deliver, and they see that, their financial performance is all linked. However, when it comes to clinics, for example, they want to really focus on the patient flow, revenue per practitioner. A legal firm maybe want to look at billable per hour and their staffing to be able to provide a better service for their customers. Hotel looks at occupancy pricing. So each one of them, kind of from the metrics that they want to kind of look at, there is that difference. However, when it comes to the way that they want to service those customers, we can start seeing a commonality when it comes to customer experience, when it comes to the way that they are able to deliver on the operation side of it. So we definitely account for both, the unique factors for each of those industries, but at the same time, we can start tailoring workflows specific to their needs.
And that's because you've embedded a lot of industry knowledge as well, which is important. It's not just sort of here's the platform and you got to deal with it. It's more a lot of industry knowledge, and that comes with experience, right?
Correct. Yeah, absolutely. So we can definitely tailor a lot of the tech solutions towards those specific industries. But at the same time, there is that service element that, we always want to be able to kind of interact with our customers in a way that, they're teaching us as well as we're helping them. So they participate a lot. They have participated in the past a lot in our R&D. So
Yeah.
in terms of just, it's about really training our AI models based on how customers interact with our platform. But then at the same time, because we have serviced these sectors in the past, in previous work or in Miivo itself, we're able to kind of co-create new solutions for those businesses. So it's really marrying both tech and service together.
And just building on this really quickly, Alex, this is obviously what you've been planning along is announcing more customers in the future. There's a lot of stuff in the pipeline you're working on.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we're really excited in terms of the volume of requests that we're starting to get from different users, from different industries in different parts of the world, and being able to start kind of looking at similarities that are coming out from all of our customers from different parts. So we can start segmenting by industry or even by challenges that customers do have and being able to provide solutions that are specific to those. and our ultimate goal really is to help improve the growth and survival rate of these businesses by providing these tech solutions. So it's really nice to see how this is evolving from not just a product, but also service-based industries, and then having those customers participate in our R&D and us being able to also at the same time deliver an outcome for them. So it's a nice way that we're kind of integrating each other into each other's businesses and becoming a growth partner to those businesses.
All right, exciting times ahead, Alex. Thanks so much. Really great update as always, and good to see you again.
Thanks, Steve. Thanks for the time.
All right, Alex Damouni, the CEO of MiivoHoldings.
The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf. It is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, an offer, or a solicitation to buy or sell any securities. Viewers should conduct their own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. The views expressed are those of the speaker and do not necessarily reflect those of Proactive Group Holdings, trading as ProactiveInvestors or its affiliates. No responsibility is accepted for any loss arising from reliance on the information presented.